Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are unboxing this super battery from PASHBULL. So if your golfing cart is struggling on hills and from low range motion, this is the lithium battery from PASHBULL. So yes, unboxing it, this is the battery itself. It's 48 volts and 105 ampere. Check this out. It's not heavy at all. This is just 98 pounds. So it's super convenient to put it in the golfing cart. This is amazing, guys. So to start the opening, guys, and come in with this battery, we have this 18 ampere fast charger with this amazing quality of build. Aluminium, so it doesn't heat up. Look, amazing thick cables. Whoa. And then we have this 4-inch high resolution LCD display that shows us actually the percentage of the battery. And then what comes with the battery are the cables. Look, super thick, quality build tape cables. And finally, the user manual. And here you can find everything from components coming with the battery to how to mount it. And now let's talk about the most important part of this performance. This battery range 50 miles without any problem. So you don't worry about running out of power in the middle of your session. And second, power, because this battery produces over 5.4 kilowatt of continuous power and 16 kilowatt of peak power. So you don't have to worry about hills anymore. And of course, with all of this performance, safety is the top priority. That's why the hidden gem of this battery is its smart BMS. It features comprehensive protection against overcharge, over-discharge, and over-circuits. Most impressively, it uses automotive-grade EV cells. This means its stability and safety have the highest level of guarantee. And with the 6,000 cycle lifespan, it can last up to 10 years. Come on, do the math. It's way more cost-effective than all of this lead-acid battery.